Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. And what's up, you guys? I'm back again. We got another build coming up, and these are all of the components of the build. Check it out. We got the B760 gaming plus Wi-Fi motherboard. It's right by MSI. Yes, sir. You guys check this motherboard out. This baby, we got the extended heat 2.5 LAN, Wi-Fi 6E Lightning Gen, Doris support, Intel. Look at all the connections on the back. You're going to see all that once I get the build going on. This be awesome. Over here, we got DDR5 RAM. We got the PNY 32 gigabyte, 6400 megahertz DDR5 RAM. I actually have 2 more sticks coming, so total is going to be 64 in here. Those other 2 sticks haven't come yet. Next up, we got the M.2 drive. We got the 1 terabyte right here, the 1 terabyte crucial M.2 drive SSD. That's right, you guys. Inside, we're going to have the i5 Intel core processor. This is the i5 12600KF LGA 1700 Intel. We got some fans here. We got 3 fan pack here by Thermalite. I love Thermalite products. Thermalite, if you watch these videos, definitely send me some products. I love that. Because we also have the Thermalite cooler right here. We got the Frozen Naughty 360 Black ARGB cooler. Go set that up. Over here, we're using the Pivia 80 plus gold power supply Premier with the RGB lighting on it. For the graphics card, we got the Radeon. We got the Radeon RX 580, 8 gigabyte. Got DDR5 on that. SFF. Radeon, great graphics cards for the money right there. Right here, we're using the Enduro Pro Plus case. Right here, I'm gonna show you guys that when I build. So definitely make sure you check that out. And the name of my build, as you guys know, every one of my builds is focused around a Funko Pop. This particular build is going to be the Mandalorian. So as you know, once I finish the build, this will go inside of the computer. This is going to be my Mandalorian build. So here's all the products I'm going to be using on the build right here. Let's get this baby started. Let's start with the case. This is an Enduro Pro Plus mid-tower ATX case. Tempered glass, panoramic view. Let's get this baby open. Let me get my little knife here. Oh, yeah, pop it up, pop it up. Woohoo! Look at that beautiful case. Tempered glass around the side and the front. Normal cases have this is where you put your fans, but the fans go in the back of this. Look at that tempered glass so you can see right through. Oh, perfect landing right there for my Funko Pop, and that's where your fans will go right there. So you have panoramic view all around the case. You got your beige right here. Popping the case off is real easy. You just come to the corners right here, make sure you got any tape there, and you just pop it out, and you just come right down the side. They've got little hinges on it, so you just have to it pops out just like that from the top. So if you ever wonder how to pop the case, it pops out from the top, and then you can take the glass off just like that. And here's the inside of the case with the glass off, the front glass off, and there's you see the side glass right there. Inside you got plenty of room for anything you want to put in there. You know, I think what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna have my Funko Pop go right here. My Funko Pop gonna be right here. It's gonna be facing out that way. So when you look at it, you'll see the Funko Pop right here. Probably raise it up a little bit too. Here's where your power supply goes right here. And let's take the back off real quick. There's the back plate, has the instructions right here. And as you can see on the back here, here's all your wiring that go up to your switches, your USB ports right here. So these are the switches, some more accessories right here, screws for your motherboard screws right here. And of course, the instructions. So here's the whole case right here. And then we're gonna put everything inside of it and turn it into a masterpiece. I think I'm gonna get a little sign right here, because this is gonna be called the Mandalorian. Cause like I say, this is gonna be the theme of the build. So I think I'm gonna put a little sign right here to say Mandalorian right here. It's gonna be slick, or either yeah Mandalorian build. So I want to introduce you to the motherboard that I'm going to be using, the B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. We're going to get this baby unboxed, and I'm going to show you as I go down the line of what this baby can do. So let's get it unboxed real quick, and let's get to it. Here is the motherboard right here. Make sure you guys be careful. You know, you don't want to get any static on it. But basically, let's break it down right here what we got. This thing is awesome. Look at it. All the plugs on the side of it. Heat sink. Let's rotate it this way so we can see. And of course, this is where your CPU goes right here. This is a support AMD or Intel. Says what? Intel Core 13th, 12th generation processor. It'll support the Intel 14th, 13th, or 12th generation premium processor. It's an LGA 1700 chipset. It's an Intel chipset. So right here, we got two expansion slots right here. You've got two expansion slots right here. These are PCI 4.0 and 3.0 expansion slots. You got 4 DIMM slots for memory right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get up to 128 DDR5 RAM in this. You got 2 storage right here. You got your you can put your M.2 drive right here, and then you got your SATA port right there, and also down here you got on this side. Flip this over for you guys so you can see this real good. You've got your you've got your USB 2.0 ports. You got 2 of those right there. There's your mouse. There's your mouse and keyboard right there. You got your HDMI setups right there. Then you got right here. You got 2.56 goes up to 2.5 gigahertz on the LAN. USB 3.2 generation 2, up to 10 gigs on that. You got your USB 2.0s right there. 3.0. Right here is your antenna for your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth. Over here, you got your SPDIF. You got the CS out, you know, for the audio video right there. So that's the whole hookup. Nothing too crazy on this bad boy. Gaming Plus 6 Wi-Fi 6. So this we're unboxing the Premier Series power supply. This is by Apivia. This is an 80 plus rating. You always want to make sure you get an 80 plus gold or higher rating. Has RGB lighting on it. Apivia. So let's get this baby unboxed real quick. Take the flaps down. Take that out. Let me slide this down real quick. So let's open this baby up. Now of course you have the manual in here. Make sure you guys definitely read the manual. If you're doing a computer build, make sure you read the manual. Here you have your power cords here, and all your other cords attachments here. Let me bring up. You got some extras on the side here, so that's what comes in there. And here's the main one. Let me put this camera down so I can show you guys. And here's the actual power supply right here. As you can see, this is a 650 watt Premier with RGB power, lighting 80 plus rated. There's your power button right here. And look, I like this because check this out. You even have a separate button right here. You have a separate button right here where you do RGB lighting. So you want RGB light on, turn it off. And there's your power button right there. Over here, you got your SATA peripheral cable and your PCI cables right here on the back. So these are attached right here. So you know everything is ready for you to go. And you even got extra wires here. So there's nothing too fancy about this. Everything is right here. Got your nice little RGB lights right here on the side. So you got everything right here. So it's going to be lit up. And you got your fan, your big boy fan right there. Right on the top. Look down in there. So make sure you... Alright, you guys, here's another part of my new computer build that's coming up. That's right, FSS. This is the Radeon RX 580 GPU. DDR5 GTS. Boy, this baby's awesome. HDR ready. AMD Freestyle DirectX. Optimum 3-port output. And it's VR. It's ready for VR. So let's... Right here, everything you need as far as setting it up. Here's the actual GPU. Ooh, look at that baby. It's looking good. Yes, sir. FSX. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that copper. Copper core. Here's a little link up right here. PCI. Here's the back of it. And then of course here you got your connectors right here. You just take these tabs off and you have all your indicators here. So inside of here, all your connectors here. And once you pop these out, there's all your connectors, your HDMIs right here, in and out. Everything you need. You have some good gaming. And even your parallel port right there. As you guys check it out, this is the Radeon RX 580. Make sure you stay tuned to all the videos and see the completed build for the machine. And this is my CPU liquid cooler version 2 by Thermalite. This is the Frozen 90 360 Black ARGB. This thing is awesome. As you guys know, I've got one right here. Same company. Turn that baby on. That's my previous build. This is Snow White. This computer is actually for sale that I did here. So I did one before by Thermalite. I liked it so much that I got another one there. So Frozen 90. Here's the instruction manual right here. Put that on the side. Here's how it looks on the inside of the components right there. Yes, sir. Of course, you got this box should be with all the screws and materials in it right here. Yep, these are your glue and all the things you need to connect it together. This thing is awesome. This is how it looks on the inside. You've got your 1, 2, 3 fans here. All your cables you need. There's your coolant right there. And there's your metal right here that's going to be shining bright. ARGB. And here's the top. Here's how the top looks right here, ready to go. Thermalite. I love these Thermalite CPUs. Hey Thermalite, if you're watching this video, I do a lot of builds. So definitely, if you want to send me some products, I'll definitely do a build with all the products in it. So we'll be straight. So this right here, you get all in one. You just light it right up. Yes, sir. The Thermalite Frozen Naughty 360. Hey you guys, right here I noticed that I had to put 1 or 2 screws in the graphics card right here in this area because it was still a little shaky, a little loose. So I put 2 screws in it before I put the bracket on to make sure it was tight. You only need 1 screw. I actually ended up taking 1 out and just using 1 screw. Also, make sure you hook up the power. Make sure you bring your power cord in so you hook your power up there. Don't forget that. And I forgot initially to take off it was a piece of plastic on the cooler, the one that the part that goes right here on the CPU. Make sure you take that plastic off. You see, I got my glue on it, so I had to take it off and put some more glue on it and just put it back down. So make sure you do that. Here's the back of it. Now the back of this thing, you know, I don't really try to neaten up my backs, because the backs are closed up anyway. I had to buy my little RGB and power junction here because it had so many connections. So I bought that. You know, it was like $10. So now I can hook up 9 powers of 9 RGB, and I just tuck it in there, make sure it can fit nice and neat. Just make sure it can fit in there. I don't really try to make the backside neat because the backside is you know, covered up anyway. So here you go. I just did the best I can do. Thumbs up. Hey, you guys let me know. I put these stickers on it, but I don't know. I might take the stickers off and do a little something different. This is just initially how it is, but I bought these stickers. I like the back, but I'm not too sure about all the little stickers. I think I might take the little stickers off. I like the back though. The back is cool. But you guys let me know what you think. I think I'm gonna take the little stickers off. And here's a boot up test. As you can see, we are ready to rock. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.